Good evening, class. In today's session, we will learn about dry friction. Dry friction is a force that opposes the relative lateral motion of two solid surfaces in contact. Laws of friction. A. The force of friction is directly proportional to the applied load in bracket Hamilton's first law. B. The force of friction is independent of the apparent area of contact in bracket Hamilton's second law. C. Kinetic friction is independent of the sliding velocity in bracket Coulomb's law of friction. Ways of reducing friction. 1. Devices. Devices such as wheels, ball bearings, roller bearings, and air cushion or other types of building bearings can change sliding friction into a much smaller type of rolling friction. 2. Lubricants. A common way to reduce friction is by using a lubricant such as oil, water, or grease, which is placed between the two surfaces, often dramatically lessening the coefficient of friction. Application of friction. Number one, lightning of fire from matchbox. Number two, movement of vehicles on roads. Number three, movement of people on ground. Number four, braking system in vehicles. Advantages of friction forces. Number one, almost all fastening devices rely on friction forces to keep them in place once secured. Examples being screws, nails, nuts, clips, and clamps. Number two, satisfactory operation of brakes, clutches rely on friction forces being present. Number three, in absence of friction forces, most acceleration along a horizontal surface are impossible. For example, a person's shoes just slip when walking is attempted, and the tires of a car just rotate with no forward motion of the car being experienced. Disadvantages of friction forces. Disadvantages of friction forces include 1. Energy is wasted in bearing associated with shafts, axles, and gears due to it being generated. Wear is caused by friction, for example, in shoes, brake lining materials, and bearings. 3. Energy is wasted when motion through air occurs. In bracket, it is much easier to cycle with the wind rather than against it.